During this video, we will look at how students can find their degree maps, key elements of those degree maps, and how to add courses from their degree map to their degree plan. In order to find your degree map, students should start at one.iu.edu and make sure they are logged in. In the search bar, type iGPS, which stands for your Interactive Graduation Planning System. Select iGPS Plan for Students. You should see a screen with Degree Map Search and an option to select your campus. First, select your campus. You can then use these additional filters to narrow down your options. I find the easiest method is to select the degree granting school and select the search button. For example, if you are an art history major, select the Heron School of Art and then search. This will display all of the majors in Heron. Each major may have more than one degree map, and you will want to select the correct map that correlates to your start term date. If you started during the fall of 2016, you will select the fall 2016 and beyond map. Now you'll see the degree for your major. This is the degree map for art history. To avoid searching for this map every time, you can select Add to My Maps. From this point on, when you return to the degree map search page, an option to go directly to this map will be at the top of the page. You can have more than one map in the My Maps section. Each degree map is separated by year, as well as fall and spring semesters. Each section contains suggested courses. Notice that some courses are labeled critical courses with a red exclamation mark. This means your department has deemed it important for these particular courses to be taken in these semesters. Also notice the milestones marked, which means certain conditions or activities need to be completed by this point in your program. You should also be aware of courses you have already taken, which can be checked in your AAR, or Academic Advising Report, if you're not sure. From here, you can add courses from your degree map into your degree plan. This degree map is generic to all students in this major, but your degree plan is where you can customize it to make it your own. When you add courses from your degree map into your degree plan, you can do this by adding them individually or adding an entire semester. For example, if you see an entire semester laid out in the degree map and you want or need to take all of those classes, you can add the entire term to your plan by selecting the checkbox next to the term name, selecting the semester you would like to add this to your plan, and then selecting Add. You can also add courses to semesters individually if you want or need to take a class in a different semester than is laid out in this map. Always check with an advisor if you are unsure if you should or could take a course in a different semester than it is laid out here. For example, you may like to take your Gen Ed Life and Physical Sciences competency during the fall semester rather than the spring. So you can select the box next to this requirement and click Add to Plan for the fall 2017 and click Add. Please note that this is putting into your plan a placeholder that you would like to take a course that satisfies this requirement. You can go to your plan and make the selection for the actual specific course you plan to take at a later time, but we will look at how you can do that from your map as well. Selecting the arrow next to the requirement will expand this area and provide you with more information regarding this requirement.
You can also select the double arrows to expand all courses in a single semester.
Continuing to look at Life and Physical Science competency, I can select View Courses. This will show me all of the courses that will satisfy the Life and Physical Science competency. You can expand each one for more details, or you can select the name of the course to view a course description, instructor, time offered, and more. If you know you would like to take this course, you can add it to your plan from this page over here on the right, or we can return to our degree map and you can add it to your plan from there by selecting Add to Plan. Lots of options. You can leave yourselves notes regarding this course. Perhaps maybe this class was recommended by a friend and you want to remember this for later. If you aren't ready to add this course to your plan yet, but do want to come back to it, you can select the star to bookmark it. Your bookmarks will be available in your degree plan page. And finally, you can use the filters to narrow down these options. For example, under class attributes, it looks like you could select this RISE challenge to find out which one of these courses has a section that satisfies the RISE experiential learning. Or perhaps you want to narrow it down by subject area. Maybe you're interested in taking a geology class to satisfy this life and physical sciences. If you are trying to add a course that you already have taken into your plan, you will receive an error message that you have already completed this, whether you took it here on this campus or it came in as transfer credit. I have already taken Geology G115, so it is indicated. After you add courses, go to your plan by selecting Plan at the top of the page. More information about degree plans can be found in the Degree Plans video.